Hello and welcome back to the Soundstore YouTube channel. One of the great things you can do with Sonos products is set alarms, and this is great if you want to wake up to your favourite radio station in the morning or have your favourite playlist playing when you arrive home from work in the evening. In this video I'm going to show you how to set up an alarm. Open up your Sonos app, click the cog icon at the top and then click on Manage, then click on Alarms, and we're going to set an alarm for this move to here. Click Add Alarm and then click on Time and choose the time you want the alarm to sound at. Then choose where you want the alarm to sound. In this case we're going to be selecting the move to. And then we're going to set the volume of the alarm and choose the music. You can also adjust how often the alarm repeats under Repeat, and here you can see it's set to repeat at the same time every day. And you can also choose how long the alarm or the music plays for under Duration. You can either just select no limit, so it plays until you want it to stop playing, or you can set the duration yourself under Duration. So let's say we want it to play for 4 hours and 30 minutes. That's how you'd do it there. And we're going to click Save. It's also worth mentioning that you can have up to 32 alarms set on the Sonos system. And as you can see, the alarm is now sounding. To turn the alarm off, just click the pause button. And that's how you set an alarm for your Sonos system. If you enjoyed today's content, please like the video, consider subscribing to the channel and share it with your friends. And join us soon for more great content.